Hi, this is Carrie with Karilee Creations. I wanted to show a little demo of my newest spreadsheet that I created to sell on Etsy. This one is health related. It's the body measurement, weight, and BMI calculator. Um, I have this set up to be able to hold 52 weeks or 52 different measurements. The first thing you would want to do when you purchase this spreadsheet is put your name in this area, and then your I guess we'll have to delete this information real quick. It's just sample information. And then your start date we'll put in today's date. And then you will take your measurements. I do mine in inches. And then your total weight. And down here you will want to put your height in feet and inches. So then your BMI can be calculated using the cdc.gov formula. And then you're following either a week, or maybe if you do it every few days, this will be your second reading. That's what the 2 is for. Then you'll put your new date here and your new measurements. We'll do this real quick, just estimate it. And these are not real information. I was just randomly putting things in. There we go. And now you'll see the spreadsheet will calculate for you the amount of change. See, between these two, you lost 0.25 inches, and that's a 1.23% decrease. And this will show you all of that. And then when you get down to the weight, you lost 21 pounds, and that's over 6.5% of body fat or weight. This 1475 is actually all of your inches lost, not including your weight. So this is a total inches lost and your percentage lost compared to your starting measurements. And then down here you'll see your starting BMI was that, and then with the new weight your ending BMI is that, which means you went down over 3 points, and again the 6.54%. So it's pretty easy. You just continue to every week input your information here, and these columns will compare to your actual start. They won't compare to each other, but to your actual start information. So once you get down to like maybe your 6th reading, I would like to hide everything else, so that way I could just see my starting compared to what I am now and see that information here. I mean, you can leave it unhidden so you can see, this information will be based on the starting, but you'll also be able to see what happened in week 5. So we can unhide that. And my other suggestion is when you first purchase this spreadsheet, you may want to just delete all the information that you can in here. Take the name out. Just do that. And now you can go down here and right click and say you want to copy this spreadsheet. So we're going to create a copy. And now I can rename this one to Carrie 2020. And you could do the same thing if you have another person, or if you want to do it for another year. You can create a copy, rename it say John 2020, to just keep track of everyone in the same place. Or you can make a copy to continue year upon year. So you can use this forever. You just copy and start over. So I put my name there. You can either use your starting information from, say, the first day that you take measurements in 2021, or you can go back to your 2020 and use the start information for that, so you can see a cumulative difference from your actual, the first time you ever took your measurements and put them into the spreadsheet. So, and as always, if you have questions or you need this updated in some way and I can help, just email me or send me an Etsy message, and I'll be happy to make it so it's, useful to you and what you actually need to record your information and make it make sense to you. So hopefully this will be a nice little tool. I know I'm working on a weight loss program, so hopefully this will be a nice tool for other people to keep track of their progress, or see when they maybe have a bad week, and it'll motivate you to do better the following week. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.